What's up guys, Faisal here. So the ROG Republic of Gamers phone from ASUS are some of the best way to enjoy mobile gaming, while also having a premium smartphone at your disposal. We take a look ahead to what you can expect when the range gets its next update with the arrival of the ASUS ROG Phone 6. Of course, this will just be when the phones are revealed, and the actual on-sale date is likely to be later, especially for Western fans. There is often a lengthy gap between the phone's Asian launch and their release in Europe and the US. The ASUS ROG Phone 6s stacks a AMOLED display. The display size on the device measures 6.78 inches and it has a full HD plus resolution. The larger 20 by 9 aspect ratio display panel has a 395 ppi pixel density and thin bezels on all sides. The power and volume key is located on the right side of the handset. For the security purpose, ASUS has incorporated a fingerprint sensor under the display. That apart, the device also offers a face unlock support that works through the selfie camera. The ASUS ROG Phone 6s features a triple camera setup. The camera module includes a 64 megapixel main camera that has OIS 4K video recording support and a f/1.8 aperture. The 64 megapixel sensor is paired with a 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. The ultra-wide sensor has a f/2.4 aperture, while the macro lens has an f/2.0 aperture. The smartphone features a 24 megapixel camera on the front that assists in capturing selfies and making video calls. The front-facing camera has an f/2.5 aperture. Powering this flagship smartphone under the hood there is an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. The device comes with 8GB of RAM and packs 128GB of internal storage. The handset lacks a micro SD card support, which does mean that the storage is limited to only 128GB. On the software front, the ROG Phone 6s runs Android 12 out of the box. The ASUS ROG Phone 6s is equipped with a 6000 mAh battery that supports 67W fast charging via USB Type-C port. In terms of connectivity, the handset has featuring like Bluetooth V5.3, Wi-Fi USB Type-C port, GPS 4G, 5G, a 3.5mm audio jack, and OTG support. As the model has yet to be launched, there is no firm pricing available. The last two generations 5 and 5S has roughly the same price tag. The standard 5S model costs €999, $1,099, with 5S Pro rising to €1,099, $1,299. The ROG Phone 5 series had a third model, the €1,299 of Ultimate. That's it. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.